Minister of Health Terrence Deyalsingh has confirmed that at least 3 university students have returned to Trinidad from Hong Kong over the past few weeks, where there have been 15 cases of the novel coronavirus. The minister reassures, however, no cases of the coronavirus have been transmitted into Trinidad and Tobago, and he says the student who returned to Trinidad last Friday after travel restrictions were implemented is under a self-imposed quarantine.
Student, that Trinidad and Tobago national who came in on Friday is in self-isolation and has been since Friday. And that is the protocol being followed around the world. People who are low risk are put into self-isolation instead of institutional isolation.
Chief Medical Officer Dr. Roshan Parasram has explained why the travel restrictions which prevented a female passenger from entering the country are necessary. The woman arrived at the Piarco International Airport on Monday from Guyana. Her journey had originated from Hong Kong. She was turned back because she was traveling within the 14-day incubation period.
There's a possibility that the virus, unlike SARS, unlike MERS, can be spread prior to the onset of symptoms, and even unlike Ebola, which means you can't detect it. And then, of course, spread during persons who actually have no symptoms. The asymptomatic persons spreading the virus has come to bear as well. We took the decision to go to Cabinet to actually restrict travel based on those two factors, along with the fact that we have no vaccine and we have no specific treatment at this time.
Olympic organizers are seriously concerned about the spread of the coronavirus and the impact it could have on the Tokyo Games this summer. Several qualification events have already been impacted due to the virus, and the concern is that the virus will negatively impact the build-up to the Games and throw cold water on that momentum that is usually generated. More than 24,300 cases of the virus have been recorded in China, and 490 people have died, with 10 cases also confirmed on a quarantined Japanese cruise ship. Japanese government officials, including Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, say they will work hard to minimize any impact on the Games, which start on July 24th. Another warning to those persons who continue to post and spread fake news. The Trinidad and Tobago Police Service is urging members of the public from doing this, as it says fake news increases anxiety in the nation. This as they debunked the latest social media postings of deaths at the port of Point Lisas.
Last year, the TTPS has had to debunk many cases of false news. Most recently, a social media post concerning Point Lisas vessel facilities, or fatalities, I should say. The Trinidad and Tobago Police Service would like to reiterate the following facts regarding this matter. 1, there are 0 reports of dead crew members at the Point Lisas port or any other port in Trinidad and Tobago.
The acting superintendent pointed out that the last time the MTM Shanghai was in China was in mid-2019.